With the Afghan war ending, this needs to be the year Congress lifts the remaining restrictions on detainee transfers and we close the prison at Guantanamo Bay. Today, the department is submitting to Congress our plan for finally closing the facility at Guantanamo once and for all. With respect to Guantanamo, it is true that I have not been able to close the darn thing. You know, one of the things you discover about being president is there are all these rules and norms and laws, and you got to pay attention to them. It is true that I have not been able to close the darn thing. It is true that I have not been able to close the darn thing. It is true that I have not been able to close the darn thing.
Di situ lo bisa membuktikan apakah ini hoax? Tidak. Apakah ini teori konspirasi? Tidak. Putin tidak bohong, guys. Obama terbukti mengakui ada orang yang lebih powerful dibandingkan Presiden Amerika Serikat sendiri. Ngeri nggak? Nah, itulah konsekuensi negara demokrasi. Makanya nggak usah heran kalau si Bernie Sanders ini satu partai nih sama Obama, dari Partai Demokrat juga. Dia bilang hal yang sama dengan Putin. Di situ dia bilang,
candidates are increasingly dependent on the very, very wealthy. And I'm proud, by the way, that vast majority of our money comes from working people. But if I'm a normal politician who needs to raise $20, $50 million, where am I going to go? I'm going to sit down with the wealthy. I'm going to go to the country club. I'm going to do my fundraisers at fancy resorts. And I get to know those people. But that's the whole point. In other words, the millionaire class and the billionaire class increasingly own the political process and they own the politicians who go to them for money. And I worry very much.
Di situ dia bilang, apapun calon anggota legislatif yang lu coblos, calon presiden, calon kepala daerah di negara demokrasi yang namanya Amerika Serikat, ujung-ujungnya apa? Mereka itu bakal menjadi sangat ketergantungan dengan yang namanya sponsor.